Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to recover your Bitget wallet account. So if you also want to recover your Bitget wallet account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bitget application. You can see over here, Bitget application has been opened. Here you can see two options, login and sign up. In order to recover your account, simply tap on the login option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to enter your email or mobile. Simply tap right over here. Now enter your email or mobile. You can see over here I've already entered my email address. Or you can also log in with Google, Apple or Telegram. After entering the email or mobile, simply tap on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your password. In order to recover your Bitget wallet account, simply tap on the option forgot your password. Now over here you'll have to enter your email or mobile number. Simply tap right over here. Enter your email or mobile number. Now tap on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Simply open Gmail. You can see over here Bitget has sent me an email. Simply tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Now go back to Bitget application. Enter that code. Now you can see over here you'll be able to reset your password. Create a new password for yourself. Your password must be of 8 to 32 characters. It must contain at least one uppercase letter, at least one number and at least one symbol. Now confirm your password. Now tap on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Once you reset your password, withdrawals and P2P sales will be put on hold for 24 hours. Simply tap on the OK option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here password reset has been successful. Now simply tap on the go to login option. Now your account has been recovered. Simply enter your password. Now tap on the login option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here your account has been recovered. So that is how you recover your Bitget wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.